Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making pickled mushrooms. So let's get to it. So for the mushroom part, you can use any kind of mushroom, but here we are using oyster mushrooms. And you want to also get a couple of sweet mini bell peppers. So for the mushrooms, you want to cut the very bottom of the mushroom. Then you want to thoroughly wash all of your mushrooms and bell peppers. So you want to slice up your mushrooms and bell peppers into a comfortable size, but make sure to make them small. So here we use 7 mushrooms and 7 mini bell peppers. To a large pot, add 1 cup of water, then 1 cup of soy sauce, 2/3 of a cup of vinegar, 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Then you want to add a palm-sized kelp or tashima. Put the heat on medium-high, and then you want to let it boil. Now you want to take a spoon and take out the kelp. Then you want to turn the heat off. And you have to pour all that sauce into your bowl. Now you have to push down all of your vegetables so all of your vegetables can soak in all the sauce. Then after 1 day, you're ready to eat. Now you want to leave this at room temperature for 30 minutes, then put it into the fridge. If you are finished with all your pickled mushrooms, don't throw it away because we are going to boil it one more time. So you want to take your sauce and add it to a saucepan, and you want to leave it until it boils. So now it has finished boiling, turn the heat off, then you're going to take it over to a large bowl. So with the sauce, you can add any vegetable you want. Here we use cucumbers because it turns out juicy and sweet. And it also doesn't necessarily have to be cucumbers, it can be any other vegetable you want. Another way that we use is to take the sauce and put it over some buckwheat noodles. These mushrooms are best served with meat. And another way we like to enjoy the sauce is to take our gimbap and dip it in with a little bit of our pickled sauce and a little bit of Dijon mustard. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment on what you guys want to see next, and subscribe, like, enjoy, and we'll see you guys next time.